Hi everybody, Annie from Anton here. Welcome back to our Teacher Series. Let's log your students into Anton for the first time. There are two ways students can join, either using their 8-digit code or using a QR code. Today, I'll help you log your students into Anton for the first time using their 8-digit code. The easiest way to access all your student codes at once is by finding and printing your group student list. First, navigate to your group and go to the Members tab. Here, you can see all the students you added to your classroom. Now, click the Print button in the upper right-hand corner, and you'll see a screen with all your students' QR codes and 8-digit codes. We recommend printing these out on paper or as stickers so students can easily stick them onto their folders, planners, or school lanyards. This way, it's easy for them to keep track of their login information. Now that your students have their login info, it's time for them to join your online classroom. Have them open up Anton and select Login with Code. Here, they'll enter their 8-digit code. They'll see that they've been invited to an Anton group and will then join your classroom. After they pick their avatar, they can immediately start playing Anton and complete their assignments. Subscribe to see more step-by-step tutorials on how to use Anton. I hope this has been helpful. Bye!